everybody, my name is Holly and I'm one of the training managers at Temple Spa. So here is my 5-minute DIY massage. This is something that you can do at any point throughout the day. Just get yourself somewhere nice and comfortable. Just take 5 minutes out. Make sure that your back's nice and straight so you're sitting comfortably. And the first thing we're going to start with is we want to relax those shoulders. So we're going to start with some shoulder rotations. So let's just do 3 rotations backwards. You should be able to hear, actually I can hear all the crunching in my shoulders. And then 3 rotations forward. So that should just relax your shoulders a little bit. We're going to take our right hand, bring it onto the side of the head, and let's just do a little bit of a stretch. So hold that stretch for about 3 seconds, and then bring the hand to the back of the neck, and you're just going to do a bit of a squeeze and release on the back of the neck. And actually, again, I can feel my neck cracking there a little bit. So bring that hand now down over towards the shoulder. So you're working this trapezius muscle. And what we're doing is we're picking it up, we're squeezing it and releasing. So we're squeezing any tension out of that muscle. We're going to work all the way down the arm with that same movement. Onto the forearm and onto the hands. Just squeeze and release. So what we're doing here is we're releasing any tension all the way down from the neck through the fingertips. And then we're just going to take our thumb and circle and stretch off the fingertips. So we're pulling away all that tension and it's all melting away, coming out through the fingertips. You're going to work along each finger and include the thumb too. And then let's repeat on the other side. You can actually see that this side has dropped down a little bit more now because it's more relaxed. So you're going to take your left hand, bring it to the side of the head. Give yourself a little bit of a stretch. And then bring the hands to the back of the neck, and it's that squeeze and release. Working down over that trapezius, so really squeezing that trapezius muscle and release over the shoulder, coming down the arm. Feel that tension melting away. Over the wrists, onto the hands, and all the way off out at the fingertips. And again, just to help that circle in and pull off at the fingers, each one. So I'm actually left-handed, so this side is much more natural to me. It's much more of a natural movement. Include the thumb. So now I'm all relaxed. Let's do some fingertip rotations just on the back of the neck now. So get right up into the occipital, just right at the back of the head. You can feel that little dip there. And just going to do some nice fingertip rotations. That's going to help to release any tension and stress in the back of the neck. And again, you can just finish with some rotations. And you should feel that your shoulders and your neck feels a little bit more mobile, less stressed, less tension, and you can be ready to go back to work. So that's your 5-minute massage. Now you'll notice that we did that with dry hands. You can do it with dry hands, and you can just work over your clothing doing this. But should you want to use a little bit of oil just to enhance that experience a little bit, my recommendation would be the Work It Out oil. This is my favourite. So this has got 21 Mediterranean essential oils in there, including cypress, clove and juniper, really good for detoxing the muscles. It actually smells divine. So I would take a small amount of this and just warm it into my hands. We just use it as a self-massage oil. And the great thing about this product is that it can also be used in the bath. So you can put a few drops in some running water and you can have a really nice detox bath. And then another product that you could use with this would be the R-Balm. So just at the end, once you've finished your self-massage, you can take a little bit of R-Balm just when you do those fingertip circles into the occipital. This is just a really nice way to finish. It's really zingy and fresh and just helps to release tension in the muscles, helps with any aches and pains. Okay, so that's the end of the session. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thanks for listening.